Serving as a prelude-like activity to the procession proper, the Pahalik at the Quirino Grandstand draws huge crowds of devotees who want to wipe a piece of cloth on the much-revered image. Alan Francisco is there to give us an update on the situation live. Good evening, Alan.
Good evening, Charms. The queue you see here at the Quirino Grandstand is getting longer as it is for the traditional pahalik on the image of the Black Nazarene this eve of the Traslasyon tomorrow. Charms, the situation here at Quirino Grandstand is calm and peaceful now, where thousands of devotees have gathered. This for the traditional pahalik on the image of the Black Nazarene that started last Saturday. Many devotees are from the National Capital Region, nearby provinces, and other parts of the country. Some devotees received first aid from the MMDA due to elevated blood pressure, dizziness, and injuries to their feet. Nevertheless, devotees do not mind sore feet or fatigue to patiently stand in line just to wipe their towels on the image of the Black Nazarene. Lourdes, for instance, expressed gratitude to the Black Nazarene for the huge challenges her family overcame, especially when her children were still young. She is especially emotional when she shares this after participating in the traditional pahalik.
Yung pamumuhay ng kahirapan ba? Malayo yung mga anak ko sa akin. Saka yung pinagdaanan po talaga namin, napakahirap po nung araw. Lalo tayo manedad tayo mga anak ko. Sa paniniwala ko na po sa kanya, tinulungan niya na po kami makausad po sa buhay. Hanggang po sa ngayon.
On the other hand, Cruciel and her sister-in-law along with their small children are here to expose the youngsters to their faith.
Maging ligtas yung mga anak ko, maging ligtas kami, makaraos sa hirap na sana lagi kaming gabayan ng Nazareno.
Gabay na din sa panganganak ko po.
Kailan ba ikaw manganak?
Sa March po.
Okay. So ilang buwan na lang? Anong pinasal mo kay Nazareno?
Na maging healthy po yung safe delivery tsaka sa mga anak ko po.
There is special line for senior citizens and persons with disabilities or PWDs. To prevent the spread of COVID-19, it is prohibited to kiss the image of the Black Nazarene here. Devotees should only use their handkerchiefs, face towels, or pieces of clothing. Meanwhile, Charms, devotees are permitted to bring food with them and band with their families or friends here at the Quirino Grandstand. And as the latest, Charms.
Many thanks, Alan Francisco.